What's up guys, PJ here on Pocket Tech. We have already seen the unboxing of iPhone SE and the comparison of iPhone SE with iPhone 11. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link them in the description below. So today I am back with another fun video to show you all how I use my iPhone SE in a day. Let's get started. I usually wake up at around 7 am every day to the sound of my alarm, the sound I hate most. If I try to wake up at 7 am, then finally I'll get up by 7:30 at least. Once I woke up, the first thing I want is my coffee. While I'm making coffee, I'll play some news on YouTube to keep me moving. Once my coffee is ready, I'll go to my sunroom and I'll have my coffee. Meanwhile, I'll try to respond to as many emails and messages as possible. And obviously, we'll peek on Instagram and Twitter as well. I got something to drop off at UPS, so I'm heading out. And once I came out, then I realized that I forgot my keys. No worries, I got covered. I can even unlock my car using my phone. You can see here, I unlocked my car using my phone. Though I know the way, I'll keep navigation on my phone just in case. Sometimes all of a sudden my brain gets off. So for safe side, I'll use the navigation. You guys also hop on, let's go for a ride. Even though it's lockdown, I don't know where all these cars are going. I have a very bad habit of not carrying the credit cards, so I am using my Apple Pay to make the purchases. If you have an iPhone, you can make list of the reminders using the Reminders app to get things done throughout the day without forgetting any task. We can be organized and we can be productive. Sometimes I'll get some points to be included in the emails while I was cooking or doing some other things. So in order to save those points, I'll make note of those on my Notes app available on my iPhone. I'll make notes manually or I'll ask Siri to make notes of them. I'll even save my passwords and some important data as well. Sometimes when I'm on office calls or whenever I need to take down few points, then also I'll use my notes. Interesting fact is, notebooks are replaced by technological advancements. To cook something for lunch, I'll check the recipes available online. Mostly, I like to read the recipes rather than watching a video. So I'll use my Safari to browse for the recipes available online. Once done with cooking lunch, I'll watch a series on Netflix while eating. Sometimes I'll even use my phone to watch the Netflix. Right now I'm watching Elite. Please comment and let me know what's your current watch list on Netflix. I'm excited to see. Every day I'll try to talk to my family at least once. I really miss them so much. I'll plug in my AirPods to take my calls mostly. Though I have a Kindle, but I almost use my phone to read novels and books because I'll have my phone with me all the time. I took a New Year resolution to read at least a book in a month. Currently, I am reading a book called Darling Rose Gold on Kindle. It is a fictional story of a young woman who has a child and had been medically abused. I'll link the book in the description below. Take a look if you are interested. One of my favorite social media platforms is Instagram. So whenever I'll take a walk, I'll plug some music and scroll through Instagram and will post some stories. If you haven't been following us on Insta, please follow at Pocket Tech. And then if I have some more time, I'll jump to Twitter. I'm the biggest follower of Elon Musk and the biggest fan of Tesla. Soon we will be publishing a video on Tesla, so stay tuned to Pocket Tech. In the evenings, I'll take a stroll in my garden and I'll have noticed a few blooms. So I've been capturing so many pictures lately. If you want to take the burst photos, swipe the shutter to the left. Basically, the burst mode will let you take 10 photos per second. In order to open the burst photos, go to the Photos app and go to Burst Pictures. Tap Select at the bottom of the screen. Here you can swipe through and view all the burst photos you just took. The grey dot below the photos will indicate those are with the best composition and focus. I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but in order to record a video quickly, jump into the camera, hold the shutter and swipe right. Then it will lock the shutter in a video mode and it will automatically record the video. As it's quarantine time and all stores are closed, and mainly it's May. So I have been doing so much online shopping lately, and I even place the orders using my iPhone SE. I even use my phone to edit my photos and videos. It's been so smooth, easy, and time saving. I have been tracking for an order from a few days now, and it's going to be delivered on Monday. So, guys, stay tuned for the most requested video by some of you. Finally, it's the end of the day. I have been using my iPhone all day long. Now I'm about to sleep, and my phone battery is 20% left. If anyone is wondering about the battery life of iPhone SE 2020, you can get about 10 hours on single charge. Now, last but not least thing I do on my phone is turning off my bedroom light and plugging in my phone to charge for the next day usage. Just a quick overall wrap up of how I felt about this iPhone SE 2020. I absolutely love it. It's very much almost the same experience but with a few drawbacks. The camera is of very good quality, and the drawback in camera is it doesn't have the night mode, and it even have the impeccable video capabilities, and it doesn't have the ultra wide angle camera as well. That's all what I thought. You guys let me know what you think.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to Pocket Tech and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Stay home, save lives.